all these comedians, like there were some friends of mine who were working with them, and they had put out this fellowship for writers. There were two kinds of fellowships. One was the year-long process, and there was one the weekend one. So just as an introductory thing, because I still didn't want to leave acting behind, I said I'll just do the weekend workshop. And it was headed by Mr. Satyanshu Singh, who most recently directed Black Warrant on Netflix, and has done Chintu Ka Birthday and has written poems for Udan. A wonderful teacher, absolutely wonderful teacher, because I knew nothing about story writing before this. And I didn't know how to convert a story into screenplay at all. So I was an absolute novice at it. Like, I just went into his workshop and he taught us through like examples of films and stories and screenplays. So it was very practical. And I think that really helped like sort of get a faster understanding of the craft, you know. So we did that over multiple weekends, and that's it. We had a task, we had to write something post that, and Acharyan Ko just happened to be that. And I had a friend who is my co-writer on the film, Kanan. He was free, I was free. We're like, let's just put this time to use and write something, and that's it. It was just supposed to be a writing assignment.
Wow. And did it help being in Bombay? Do you think if you were in some other city, it would have been a different curve, or in terms of...
Absolutely. I think that at that point, in 2016 at least, when I first took this workshop, I don't think that exposure was present here in Bangalore in terms of like screenwriting, courses, filmmaking, in terms of, targeted specific courses which are like not too long and just enough for like professionals to just get started. I don't think that was there. And that is the reason I also moved to Bombay, because the opportunities were far more. You would be testing for projects that were in English, in Hindi, in multiple different languages, but in Bombay. So that was very fascinating for me, because it opened up a whole new world. And it was, I think, an eye-opening experience. And I'm an accidental director. I was never intended to.
That was going to be my next question, the transition from being a writer, from an actor to a writer and then to a director.
It was just this, I had written this script, and then I was so particular about how it was going to be executed. That's it. It's nothing else. I think I was just obsessed with the fact that I didn't want somebody to ruin it by adding an item song or like, objectifying like my characters or something like that, because again, it was Suma who was leading. It's a woman, and I didn't want that perspective to change. So I was just extremely particular, and it got to a point where they're like, why don't you just direct it? And I was like, yeah.
I was going to ask that it's a lot of faith that someone puts in you, a producer, let's say, puts in you as a director, and if you've never done this before, so how did that, was it the time they spent with you, how did they end up putting that faith in you?
So it was actually my agents first. They were just scouting for stories that were not set in, let's say, any of the top half of the country. They were specifically looking for Southern Indian projects, newer voices, newer perspectives, and because I think at around that time, 2017, 2018, 2019, I think there was just like this overload of like violent, gore sort of series and films, and they wanted to see if there was something different that someone else has written, and that's when they were looking for South Indian projects. And it happened so that a friend of mine used to work in the agency, and they read what we had written, and they were really interested. And they were like, who's going to direct this? I was like, I don't know, you can ask whoever you want to direct this. I'm okay to just give you the script. But that was the issue, that then I had like slight, I think, I don't know, I was definitely protective about the material. And they were like, okay, then why don't you direct it? And I was like, but I have never directed before. Like, how am I going to do this? So they were like, make a sample. So go back, take two to three scenes from the film and create a sample, and then we'll see how it goes. If it's good, you can do it. I mean, we'll pitch it to the producers that you're new, but it's worth it. It's worth the risk. If it doesn't go well, then yeah, we'll shop it around, right? And I think that was good enough for me, that I could try something, and if it fails, it fails. It's okay. And if I do like, happen to be good at it, then it opens up something absolutely new for me. And when I did the sample, I self-funded it. We shot 2 scenes from the movie over 2 days. and they saw it, they loved it, and then the pandemic hit. Yeah. So then it just so happened that the only producer who was producing at that time, despite the pandemic, was PRK Productions, Mr. Puneet Rajkumar. And he saw the sample and he was like, okay, this is very fresh, this is very new for Kannada. We should really make this. And I don't think they doubted my skill after they saw the sample. They were like, okay, there is proof here. There's proof in the pudding. You saw the sample, you can see the visuals of how the film is going to look. And I had acted in the sample as well. So I told them I'm going to be acting as well. That's not going to go away. And they were like, yeah, if you've done this, I guess you can manage the set as well. So yeah, we leave that to you. So yeah, it was just, I think, showing solid proof that it is possible, even for myself, honestly, not just them. So that I know that I could do it.
That's a great, very, very hopeful story. I'm sure a lot of us will feel like, okay, it is possible to find a supportive environment that early on, where people want you to succeed. They're kind of pushing you to succeed. That's
I feel
fantastic.
like also this is a very privileged, probably, experience among every other story that I've heard. So I just happen to be that one example, but it's possible as long as there's some proof to what you're doing and people can see it. I'm sure that people won't hold back.
Fantastic. Shilpika?